Hey there, guys, gals, fans, and pals. Your buddy JohnMegacycle here. Another episode of Captain of Industry. Coming at you. Yeah. So I'm pretty happy with this little setup. This is fairly straightforward. This is going to stash away some of the heavy, the light oil that's going to come out of some of the process. And what's also going to happen is, don't bring me yucky water. Yep, thanks. What it's going to do is going to take excess light oil and excess heavy oil, and it's going to use it to fuel this process, saving a little bit of coal. Granted, it's going to waste the heavy and the light oil. Those two processes are going to be used for naphtha, NAPTHLMNOP. I forgot how to spell it. Which can be derived further down to other stuff. Yeah, okay, whatever. Which will work down to other stuff. So it's a later game product. The thing is, I don't really feel like spending a lot of time stashing away resources. Now, recycling is another thing entirely because I'm going to do it. End of story. I'm going to do it because I'm going to do it. Let's see. This is all fixed, yeah? Ish. There's a stump in the way. That's fine. I'm not worried about it. I wanted to just see this. Fertilizers. Nice. I wanted to see this work just once. And we're about to get light oil maxed out. We have a priority pipe balancer here. And then all the excess is just going to over here. This is going to kick on. And it's going to cook. The steam is going to get pushed out to this pipe. Then it's going to get here, and it is set to priority in. So hopefully we're going to be using light oil gas pretty quick here. Yeah. There it is. There's our first cook. There's our carbon dioxide. And this is getting bled out first. That is our first hit of light. Yeah. So hopefully that means we're using less coal. I'm not doing this to specifically use less coal. I'm going for easy, right? That's kind of the deal. So what this has really got going on is, yeah, it's a closed circuit. It'll keep everything going. We should not be overloading anything at all. Now, in my last season, I stashed as much of the heavy and the light as I possibly could because I knew they were used for other stuff. I don't care anymore about that. That's where we're at with that. I don't care. And I don't care. And I don't. Okay. We have 12 workers. My steel line is completely disabled. Most of my other factory bits are also disabled. So we're going to upgrade this. I'm also going to upgrade some of the farms going on. So what do we have here? Months without water. Let's take a look at what food production looks like. We have... Oh, I don't have wheat. Oh, I do have wheat. I don't have corn. So what irrigated farm is what I want. Irrigation should not be too difficult. Actually, I might do our farming up here. That seems incredibly smarter. Now, I gotta get rid of all these trees, actually. Oh, I'm out of Unity. Oh, sad. I'm always out of Unity. Once we get better food, that'll be less of a thing, actually. Food, say, how much food we got? We got some food. Let's shut off the maintenance reducer. Let's leave it at that for a hot minute. Get some frickin' Unity in this business. I'm trading off a bunch of our lumber so we can get more lumber. As much sense as any of that makes. How much is it for an upgrade? 15? That's not terrible. Oh, it takes electronics as well? I think I'd remember that, even though I don't remember that. I thought I should remember that, even though I don't remember that. So how's our water reserve now? I mean, still great. Yeah, it hasn't rained for a little bit, but that's alright. Okay, we want to work on diesel, not diesel, power. Power. Okay, we have diesel generator 1. 2800. We have the diesel generator 2. 625 megawatts. I mean... Oh, it releases exhaust instead of air pollution. Oh, okay. Here's the gotcha. Significantly less workers, significantly less maintenance. If we were to build 5 of these diesel generators, it would be 30 maintenance and 10 workers. Now it's 10 maintenance and 2 workers. So that is very powerful. We will be utilizing that. But that's not really what I care about right now. What I do care about is getting a high-pressure turbine going and getting some power creation. I want to set this up so it doesn't suck. How much oil do we even have left? 35%. Okay. That is going to last us quite a bit longer for what we've got going on. Okay, now I wouldn't mind to put vehicle fuel saver on. Okay, let's do some math here. High pressure turbine. Let's go into planning mode so the game can just keep running. It doesn't matter what boiler I get. This is 8 every 10. This needs 4 every 10, so I'm just going to paste down the items that I need. This produces 6 megawatts of mechanical energy. This will take 6 megawatts of mechanical energy and turn it to 4 megawatts of electrical energy. And then we need a flywheel as well. Okay. What does all this look like? 380, 160. That's not terrible. That's not terrible at all. Cargo depot level 2. Cargo depot level 2. Cargo depot level 2. Cargo depot... Turned into System of a Down there for a hot second. Okay, we're just gonna pause you. Okay. We're gonna unpause you. We're gonna pause you. Good stuff. Okay. So, farming and power are the 2 things I'd like to get tackled on right now. I'm still waiting for more trees to get removed. Irrigated farm. Yeah, okay. So where's our... Start with that, please. Okay, thanks. Irrigated farm also allows us to use fertilizer. Irrigated farm can be connected to a source of water or fertilizer. That could be useful. A farm says... Okay, nothing nearly as funny, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, I'm going to build out half of this system. And then I'll leave the other half on... Hello? Leave the other half on pause or whatever. I don't mind to keep this a little tight if we can. It doesn't matter what side of the thing you put the flywheel assembly on. It makes more mechanical sense to me to put it on the inside. But, whatever. Now, I want to know, can I just chain this whole thing, or... Actually, I think I wanted as two separate systems. So, give me this. This comes over here. Okay, I don't want to see the irrigated farm right now. Thank you. Da, 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 da. Oh, it goes up. Okay. I don't really care. I don't really care. I don't even really care. Oh, okay. I mean, I guess I care now. It was, what's that from? Strong Bad learns about a band that Strong Sad is all about called Sloshy. And, Strong Bad is confused because he thinks they rock. I mean, they rock, but they're not rock music. Like, from what he is used to with Limousine, which might as well be Def Leppard or something. That being said, one of the tracks of Sloshy is "We Don't Even Really Care. We don't even really care. Yeah, we don't even really care about you." Like, it's dumb or whatever, so now anytime I say that, just kicks back to Weird Town. That is so cool that it can go straight up and straight down. That is weird, and I love it. I need one of these for one of this. And how are we going to power this? Man, sawdust would be super cool. And it's less exhaust, but we're not there yet, so we're going to just stick with coal. What is the... Oh, the pipe's in the way. Yeah, alright, I'm hip. Oh, no. Ish. Hey, coal on a mount. This is, priority 9. This is power level... No, where's the power? Production power priority 6. Hey, new refugees. Which means this is priority 11. Cool. It'll push this as the main driver before anything else. So what I'm going to do is pause. I'm only literally going to build half of this. Why half of it? Oh, I thought we only needed 2 megawatts. I can build the other side without much issue at all. I just want to see how long we can stay under 2 megawatts. Why is 2 megawatts important? Because that's what this produces. Oh no, this produces 4. Oh, okay, I can totally stay under 4 megawatts. So I'm leaving this in planner mode, and I'm not going to do a dink about it. Not going to do a ding-dangle-ding about it. It doesn't need Unity. That can be a little lower. Okay, do we have some room for farming? For farming. Research lab level 3. Awesome. We are gonna ramp up all our research on the fairly quick here. New refugees, good stuff. Grandpappy's big old diesel. Kind of low on construction materials level 1. Let's do slabs. I'm literally just trying to burn through a bunch of this lumber so we can get to other bits. I don't think this is going to be a part of the conversation anymore. Wait, why do you have alerts? Oh, yeah, notify if full. Right. Okay, yeah, right. Alright. So much scrap. Oh my god. I wanted to get to farming before we got to T3 stuff. And I want to finish research before we get to T3 stuff. That would be pretty cool. Now, we can always go backwards. Once we get a T3 lab, we can do T2 technology. That's not an issue. It's just I'm trying to compartmentalize all the stuff I'm doing in my brain meats and make this a little more easy to digest. I'll say it like that. Make it a little easier for me. But this isn't really intended for any real logistical reason. Once we have... Yeah, this is all T3 or better. Yeah. Once we have all the stuff researched, I'm just going to go like corn farming and soybean farming. I didn't get any soybean seeds or corn seeds. I'm probably not going to get them until we rank up our ship a bunch. And then we go get our McMurder on. So I'm not quite there yet. This is so much. I cannot wait for T3 materials. So I can get the compressor and just start a compactor? Whatever it's called. It's called something. Whatever it's called. Okay, what I would like to do is I'd like to set up for mechanical parts. Oh, I hit spacebar instead of rotate. Haha, I'm funny. Okay, right. I only need one square, so actually let's pause. I need 1, 2, 3. We have what? We have an electric and unity. So let's see here. Electrical parts or mechanical parts 5440, 5410. Okay, so I need at least. We're gonna butt this up a little bit closer, I think. Nope. What the hell? A couple of quick clicks, and it messed the whole thing up. I can't make it out of steel. Not yet. Where was the vat? Oh, an electric level 2. Not super interested right now. Thank you, no thank you. Okay. You need how much? 5 every 40. Yeah, our level 1 belts are going to be just fine. Nope. Flat conveyor. Nope. Okay, you know what? You win. Just place. Oh my god! Just stop placing things. Holy crap! That was awkward. All right. I want to do something like this. I want to conserve space if I can, and not because I'm trying to min-max or nothing. The bigger thing of the matter is our coal mine is right here. We're gonna have to set up eventually some retaining walls, which require cinder blocks. Or concrete slabs or whatever, and I ain't got none of that. You're actually going to be mech parts, thank you. Loose storage has low supply of potatoes. Ship weapons. Nice. Dismiss. Next one is ship armor, and then all this crap gets scrapped. Turns into scrap crap. Scribbity, scrabbity, scrap crap. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this. Actually, well, I kind of wanted to see if we could do all the research with what we currently have. Research doesn't tell you how much of it needs. It just says progress. Our ship will take more hits from the enemy's artillery. Our crew is looking forward to test it. Huh? I really should read through some of this. I don't. Usually just blast through it, but that's okay. We're going to unpause that. Yeah, I'm just going to roll through what we've already got. Maybe we'll be able to finish it. No recipe slot. Oh, right. I didn't, Oh, let's do off. There we is. Not enough housing. Settlements overcrowded. New refugees. Pause. Hooray. Alright, we're going to lose a little unity on that. Again, we're going to gain a bunch of our unity back once all these labs are cleaned up. And we get to recycling. Oh, man. Much excite. You know what's really flipping unfortunate is I put the coal there. Manufactured sand is not what I wanted, my good man. Okay, that turns our level 1 to level 2, so we're doubling our loose storage. This should be really straightforward. Did we do keep full? I don't think we did, or that would be annoying. Okay, invalid route assigned. Oh, hi, Jax. Which one is it? No, 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 yes. Yep, and then we're going to put T3 construction materials, and that's going to take care of it. Yep, ship armor, done. Just about. Awesome. Okay. Now, pause. That's already paused. Let's beef up our rig, yeah? New guns, new armor. We've got more than enough. Do it to it. Oh crap, did I build this backwards? I built it backwards! I'm the big dumb. Nah, it's okay. Okay, there's that. No alerts. On, off. On, off, on. Alert. Notify. Less than 50. Invalid route assigned. I thought I fixed it. I have now fixed it. Okay. Good stuff. This is still being unloaded. Extremely busy. Very busy. Whenever we upgrade our ship, or whenever we go through and start a large project, when I personally as a human take the time and I get everything queued up and then I say, go, you know, I pull the trigger and I'm like, go, go, whatever. That forces a lot of extra, very strong effort to be pivoted from whatever the crap was happening to now this thing, right? That might not sound terrible, but that does mean a lot of work has to get removed and messed around and stuff. So it's not great. So whenever I say I want, like, I'm upgrading the ship, right? We can only pull 20 of each item. So I need, I don't know, what's 76 times, or divided by 2? 10, 20, 36? 36 routes? This is 4 routes or whatever. Like, that's a lot of truck moving. We're not going to be able to snap our fingers and be like, boom, insta. Okay, we got our mech parts. I'm happy with that. We're going to pull all this out. Do I wait for corn and stuff? I'm not going to wait for corn and stuff. I'm not going to wait for corn and stuff. We'll get that later. And that's just to clear the line. We have a lot of stuff to do. We really do. Oh man. I'm excited for it. Like, there's no other way for me to say it. I'm excited for it. We got a lot of cool stuff that's about to kick off. We finished off all of Tech 2. So that means we're going to do exactly what I said we're going to do. Is we're going to take time to assimilate all the technology into our current infrastructure and go for it. One of the first things we're going to do, aside from all of the cracking and things we've already been doing, is going to be messing around with the ship. That all cleans. So what is our battle score? 190. 190. So what do we have for other battle scores? 70, 170, 100. 100. We could get some proper work done with all of this, for sure. For certain, for sure. We are making a fair amount of Unity. Let's put Fuel Saver on. Diesel's going to be the biggest ouch. When we run out of it, we're going to have to drastically reposition how stuff works. Now we're low on diesel, we're full on light oil, we're full on heavy oil. This isn't quite the universe I was hoping for. What exactly is the issue? Well, I mean, I understood light oil, but this should be kicking out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mute that. The problem is right now nothing's going to work. I can't get rid of a little light oil. What I can do yeah, we're at a little bit of an impasse here. Let's pause for just a second. Let me think this through. How do... I was hoping this was going to be depleting enough, but we're not using enough of the steam. Okay, what else can I use steam for? Is there anything I can use steam for? No, I want consumers. I could make more power. Eh? Oh, sour water stripper. Do I have one of those? Ah, it's teeth. Damn it. Okay, back to it. There's nothing really great. So here's... I really don't want to do this. This hurts my heart. I didn't really change anything, so I'm not really too sure what's going on. We're prioritizing the other outs. I really don't like throwing away steam. Okay, I'm not happy with that stopgap. It makes me none happy. 4, 6. You know what? How much are we producing in excess? Because I thought once we got past like a hump, this wasn't gonna be like, oh, we got tons and tons of the stuff. I can't store steam, right? No, I can't. Sad. Okay, you know what? Now that I'm seeing this, I don't think we're producing enough to turn this into a power plant. It's so infrequent. If I were to double, triple this up, maybe, but I don't think we're getting enough stuff to make that work. So okay, this is what's going to have to happen. If this was kicking out steam all the time, yeah. See how it's just waiting. I need what, 8 every 10 for the power plant? 4 every 10. So are we making 4 every 10? I don't think so. I mean, nope. Nope. How many flywheels can I put on a system? Flywheels store 500 megawatt seconds worth of mechanical power as inertia. Slowly loses power, only follow the entity's same shaft are idle. Where's the tut on that? Okay, they have a few flywheels. I wonder if I should be having way more flywheels. I think I only ever build one. Not sure. Anyway, it's time for this to happen some more. Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of the trees actively. This can go right back to 100%. Now, how much more coal is in them there hills? Oh, there's a freaking ton of this crap. Like, awesome? Like, not... I'm not being like, oh man, boo, lots of stuff. That's not what I'm getting at. Okay, we got a fair amount of food stuff still. Alright. Oil is refixed. Diesel's looking good. Okay. Let's pause for a second here. I really want to map out the farm system. And it feels like if I'm going to cut a bunch into this, I'm not going to have a ton of free space. Irrigated farm. Aw, man. I don't want to move the pumps. There's a lot of coal in them thar hills. We do something like this, so... I wish I could just place it so I could use it for size. There's so much copper here too. Ah, angry. I'm not angry. Just. Okay, new plan. Indecision and all that. How's our water? Yeah, we're not nearly using any. at all. Oh, biomass collection transformer. Yeah, I want to do a water facility. I just haven't been able to get there yet. Fuel station, fuel station. Maintenance depot. Which will also net us recycling. Am I ready for that? I don't know if I'm ready. Well, I have to be ready for it. That's the answer. Okay. What do you need? Yeah, right. Pause. Does it do better work? Oh, wow. Yeah, times... Yeah, okay, I only need one of these for now. So, 1. Actually, let's button this up a bit. No. We ain't gonna button up Jack. Let's do this very quickly. How much do you produce? 6 every 20? Oh, you could have ridden the same belt, but that's okay. You don't need to unify anymore. Ugh. I don't like that. Let's see if we can do a little bit better. Close. Closer. Warmer. That's what I want. Thank you. Okay, not enough housing. Wow, our maintenance takes a crap instantaneously. That's ridiculous. Yeah, we were on the precipice of the whole thing. Not enough maintenance 1. Yeah, trust me, brother. I'm on it. So 160 maintenance. We were making 35 maintenance to put everything into perspective. So from 30%, that gives us 5. I mean, that's not bad. I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, or this, or this, or this, or this, or that. So it'll be another station like this, same thing, plug in, dump it off. This is going to take a hot moment for things to catch up, and that is fine. Could boost it to get our numbers back up if I wanted. I don't think I really wanted, but we could. Ship modifications complete. We're gonna kick you in the face. Oh, the crew undocks? Oh yeah, that makes perfect sense. Need way more crew. I don't have any feelings about stuff. Let's just go. Let's just... Ascending order, I guess. 190 is our final battle score? Yeah, okay. So we get our battle score the second we say the modifications we want. We're still good on potatoes. As much as that says we're low. And that little desk work you just heard was me shutting down one of 3 work laptops. I'm a really simple dude. Like, dude, just give me a VM I can sign into every day, and that's all I need. Nope. You're gonna get a laptop for job 1, and a laptop for job 2, and another laptop for job 2. Awesome. First victory. Sulfur mine, and a bunch of other bric-a-brac. Keep exploring. Last season, we needed none sulfur. We needed so little sulfur because we were producing so much. I was stashing it on a hill. Gap of 2. It was bananas. It was cocoa bananas, straight up. Sorry for the strong language, but it was bananas. How much? Just how much? Okay, how do we do this? Come out the same distance for... it really doesn't matter. I'm not building multiple. So there's that. I'm gonna stick with 1. Every time I see this, it looks like a bucket of paint. There. I said it. It looks like a bucket of paint. You're gonna do that. Off, off. Okay, what's the other thing you need? Steel. That makes sense. For this... I really still don't like the way this was laid out. Oh, this is no longer required, no longer required, no longer required. Nope. Well, it doesn't much matter. Cool. You are going to requisition some steel. Fair amount. Need to remove. Let's get busy. Yeah. Actually, you know what? That can get nuked. We're going to go level 2 storage. Cool. Supply of potato, little supply of everything. Yeah, I get that. How we doing over here? Diesel's looking mwah, brilliant. We have not moved coal at all. This has been paused. I don't really want to stash up a bunch of rubber right now. Oh, actually, I already have a stash of rubber. It's up here with the electronic parts. Yep. Fine, fine. Ship and battle. Was this battle score 100, I think? Or, oh, we don't know. I don't know. Soybean seeds. Hot diggity dang and daffodil. Cool. Ship will come back. Ship will get repairs. Ship will be ready for more shipping. All the shipping. All the friendships. We have a fair amount of unity. Vehicle fuel saver and food saver are kind of the two primaries. I really should run a pipe over to here, get some water going on. Oh yeah, I already knew that, thanks. Okay, ship returns. Some minor damage. You know what? I completely forgot I shut all this crap off. Ha ha! Nuts. Once we get a few more infrastructure pieces out of the way, I really want to develop a bus. Now, a bus is something that we were able to do last season. How do I talk about a bus if you're not familiar with what a bus is? If you've ever seen like a motherboard or a press circuit board or something, there's all these lines that go in a very similar direction. That is a bus. That is a bus design. A lot of Factorio players use a bus design. That's a really great way to think of it. So it's all one shared line all the way down. Now, we did that at about, I don't know, 2/3 of the way in of our first season. One of the things that's going to be a real gut puncher of an issue is space. I don't have a lot of it. I don't have nearly any of it. That makes this difficult for me to accomplish anything, which I don't like. What I do like, though, something we're going to handle right now, is I have a compactor, and I have the materials. Hot damn. Okay. Before I get too excited, 6 of this turns into 2, so this cuts it down by 2/3. I think that's worth it to get some of this land back, because this is nutty. The actual waste sorting plant costs 400. Yeah, 400. Duh. That's going to be a while for me to get to any point where I'm comfortable dumping that kind of kashish around. Okay. Now, where the hell does this all go? Actually, I don't need to modify anything. There you go. Okay, so we can compress scrap, waste. Does iron scrap? Okay, so if I was to do this, can you cook iron scrap compressed? You can't. So I'd have to shred it back up. Not the end of the world. A little lame, but not the end of the world. How long does this take? 5 seconds? Oh, actually, this belt isn't fast enough. This is going to transport 5 every 6 seconds. Or 5 every 5 seconds. There's going to be a small little bit where we're not moving enough stuff. Some priority on that. Very tempted to upgrade. What I am gonna have to do: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have that much T2 construction materials, do I? Nope. I really don't. Okay, so back to the story. The actual waste sorter can take the chunks. So this is extra work I'm putting forth to try to clean up a little bit. There's a lot of space here I'm eating up with recyclables, and now with the compactor, I can actually put some of this away. Awesome. Okay, how are we on taters still? Nothing there. Okay, we're starting to lose some of our food supply. It says we have 33 months. I don't necessarily believe that, but we're finally getting to this. This is what I was waiting for. Oh, crap, I'm out of level 2. Pause. We're actually maxed out on Unity. So that means... I guess maintenance reducer. Sure. This is what I wanted to see. Oh, yes. Amazing. So if I delete this, does this become on? I don't think automatically. Oh, it does! Oh, that is so dope. Okay, cool. I don't think that's how that worked when I played this originally, so that's really cool. Pickup can't reach destination. Where are you trying to go? Yep, correct. You can't go there. Let's turn this on. Does that help? Why do you have construction parts? Okay. Giving it a move order interrupts the job queue. So now you should have been able to make it to over here. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Our base is a very fluid, dynamic, ever-changing system. It's very important to not get stuck in the idea that things have to always be the same. Things are never going to be the same. It's really important to take a step back and be like, well, I need to change some stuff. Well, crack your knuckles, kids. It's time to change some stuff, right? What are you? 170, 100, 100. I don't really care too much. Let's pick a fight with the fights we know we can win very soundly first, I guess. Yeah, what did I say before? Ascending order? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, how are we doing now? Do I have it set to bricks? I do. Cool. Okay, I'm happy. Let's go ahead and talk about farms. Right, I don't have construction materials. Ugh. Sad puppy noises. Oh, yes I do. How come it said 0? Oh. Maybe I clicked it too fast or something. I don't know. Anyway. One, two. I can get 2 pretty easily. So let's start with that. Ship in battle. Bunch of vehicle parts, a whole mess of copper, good stuff. Yeah, just keep going, I guess. You know more about how much fuel you have than I do, so have at. Okay, how much water are you using per whatever? 8 every 10. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna have to upgrade one of you. No crop selected. Good call, my man. Do we pop right into bread, or maybe we just stabilize a little bit? Ship in battle again. Oh, yeah. Nice work, son. The quartz mine. Dope. I like it. That'll be good. Gonna need... Gonna need that for water. This whole thing doesn't need to be upgraded, but part of it does. Again in battle? Oh, get that out of here. Freaking jerk. What was I saying? Not all of this has to be upgraded. Some of it do. but not all of it do. That part do. Did I do it? Okay. I didn't see a cost, so I was confused. Okay, potatoes and veggers. So here's how this is gonna go. Last time we had a real dilly of a pickle, mixing and matching commodities. We're not doing that again. That's all that has to be said. I'm not doing that again. Come out by 2. Okay, there's potatoes. What the crap? No. Yes, that's better. Okay. There we go. Water needn't be hooked up. Oh, did we lose a bunch of crops already? No, we got potatoes out of you somehow. Interesting. Unsure how. Check back with me in about 5 minutes. I am unsure how. Very busy. Oh, did our guy come back and our stuff was banged up? Yeah. That's part of it. That's part of it. Low supply of potato. I have a bunch of level 2. No, I don't. Never mind. I was like, I got a bunch of T2 construction materials, and then I don't. Where are you trying to go? What's your jam? Can you instead go there? Did it work? Did it do the thing? Hey, you did the thing. Congratulations. Or you gave up. I can't tell the difference. I can't tell the difference. Alright, how are we doing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you could go right there instead, I would be pleased as punch. Yeah, I did a whole lot of not thinking this through, sue me. Extremely busy. Fuel station is out of fuel. What? No, we have plenty of fuel. Everyone's just really busy. Minus 18 workers. What happened? Oh, the farms. The farms came online. Nope. Oh my god. You need 8 mech parts every 20. We make 8 mech parts every... Oh, wow. Okay. Couple things wrong. There's a couple things incorrect. Just... Great. I'm noticing a couple of issues here. That's better. Okay, that's fixed. That is the minimal amount of mechanical parts I require to get that work done. We're missing bricks, so having that running at full tilt doesn't make any sense. I have 6 workers left. Oh my gosh. Let me guess. Over here. Hey. Over here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say off. And that's just going to make that easier. You cannot pull or drop off from here. Just end of discussion. Save me a whole mess of brains. Not enough maintenance. Interesting, because minus 2 workers. I did just pop on a bunch of farm actions. So how many is this? 12 workers? 12 workers. I cannot afford the space. Oh, yes, I can. Bill Bibaboo. Bill Bobby Baboo. My new hit single. Okay, I let time get ahead of me. Or behind me or whatever. Wow, yeah, time flies. Okay, let's call this here. We got our new farms. Yeah, that's a nice shot right there. Okay, thank you all for joining me. My name is JohnMegacycle. Another episode of Captain of Industries in the books. Yeah, thanks as always, and I hope to catch you next time. Hey there, guys, gals, fans, and pals. Thanks for checking out my video. I also want to take a moment to thank all my supporters and donators, and if you'd like to join up with me and game with my crew, all the information to get connected is in the description below. Thanks again, and I hope to catch you next time.